see here about the autosomal inheritance. What is the meaning of autosomal inheritance? The inheritance, that is the expression of characters from one generation to the next generations, mainly due to the autosomal linked traits, is known as a autosomal inheritance. In human being, there is a presence of 44 autosomes. Out of the 46 chromosomes, 44 are autosomes there. And what is the function of autosome? Autosomes carry somatic characters instead of a sex characters from one generation to the next, from parents to offspring. So they are mainly responsible for causing this autosomal inheritance. Two kinds of autosomal inheritance: autosomal dominant trait and autosomal recessive trait. So here first we take the information about the autosomal dominant trait. Here the example is a widow's peak. Observe the two figure here. In first one figure, the person having V-shaped hairline, person having V-shaped hairline on his forehead, while in second figure, person not having V-shaped hairline on his forehead, he having straight hairline instead of a V-shaped pattern, V-shaped line, he having straight hairline on his forehead. So what is the meaning of a widow's peak? If the person having V-shaped hairline on his forehead, that is known as a widow's peak. So which kinds of genes or genotype responsible for causing this widow's peak? Homozygous dominant or heterozygous dominant form of genotype mainly responsible for causing widow's peak. Homozygous dominant, capital W, while the heterozygous dominant form, here capital W dominant over this recessive form, that is a small w. So this condition is called as a heterozygous genotypic condition. So both homozygous dominant and heterozygous form, these are responsible for causing this widow's peak. In widow's peak, person having V-shaped hairline on his forehead, while the person not having widow's peak, he generally find out straight hairline on his forehead. Which kinds of genes are responsible for causing the straight hairline? Small w, that is the homozygous recessive kinds of genotype. This recessive kind of homozygous genotypes, they are mainly responsible for straight line instead of a widow's peak on the forehead. So widow's peak is a autosomal dominant trait. Then the second one trait, that is the autosomal recessive trait. See here the disorder phenylketonuria, short form is here PKU. It is an inborn metabolic disorder. Person who having such kind of disorder, which kinds of genes are responsible for causing this disorder? When recessive genes present in homozygous conditions, in that person phenylalanine hydroxylase enzymes it not produced there, and it results into phenylketonuria. So what is the functions of this phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme? This phenylalanine hydroxylase enzymes mainly functions for conversion of a phenylalanine into tyrosine, but person who having such kind of disorder phenylketonuria, they shows absence of this enzyme, that is a phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. So this conversion, that is the conversion of a phenylalanine into tyrosine, is not possible in such kind of person. So generally they having side effects. The first one, Due to the absence of this phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme, phenylalanine and its derivatives directly accumulates in the blood and cerebrospinal fluid of that persons, and it results into poor brain development. It is inborn metabolic disorder. So poor brain development may result into mental retardation in such kind of person. Excess phenylalanine excreted through the urine. So why the name of disease is here phenylketonuria? Because excess phenylalanine is excreted through the urine of such kind of person. So why the name is here phenylketonuria. So this is an example of a autosomal recessive trait. So both autosomal dominant trait and autosomal recessive trait responsible for causing the autosomal inheritance.